Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create custom nose rings if you don't have custom makeup on Dress to Impress. You do need accessory adjustment for this, but it is free if you play 30 rounds, sorry, not 3. So you can use this on whatever makeup you'd like, as you can see. You do need to adjust it to the makeup though. I adjusted it to this makeup, but again, you do need to kind of adjust it with the makeup that you have. I know some makeup has nose rings, but this is just if you want to add it to makeup that doesn't have it. So I used this headpiece. I tried to use the earrings, but it just won't work the same. But for the accessory adjustment that I have on, I colored it black, and then for position, I did Y at 0.32, Z at 0.37, rotation I did X at 0.92, and scale I did at 0. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.